I love bells.
People really hate making eye contact from far away.
Yeah.
Like honestly, you could just try to look at someone the whole way. Like, try to just stare
You can
at
make them uncomfortable.
You can't stare at anyone.
Keep looking at them even when you pass.
No one keeps eye contact with a stranger. It's so weird.
Nope.
Like just continue looking at them. And if it happens once, then it's weird.
You smile awkwardly or something like that. It's not even a smile. You just like tighten your face up pretty much. It looks really weird. Imagine having like, you speak a language that not even Google Translate has, and you come to Amsterdam with no phone or anything like that, obviously.
Plus, it's a pretty like, it doesn't have a huge vocabulary for a whole language.
Yeah, for context, we just helped some guy from Uruguay try to find an address for about half an hour.
Did you say Uruguay?
Uruguay. It's not Uruguay.
No, it's Eritrea in Africa, not Uruguay.
You said Uruguay though.
Nope.
Eritrea?
No, Eritrea.
Eritrea.
Yeah.
Okay.
He would look probably different.
Yeah. Yeah, basically he didn't speak any, he spoke a tiny bit of English. It was hard to understand, but we managed to find the address, kind of. It's closed right now. He's looking for a document. But hopefully he'll have better luck tomorrow. He knows where it is now. Come here. Oh shit, he's coming.
Dinosaur.
Is this someone's house I'm tapping on? I think it is. When your car is so small, you have to put a fucking bike lock on it so people don't pick it up and steal it. That's just hilarious to me. Looks fun to drive though.
Okay, man, I think I'm done with this game.
And that's the end of it. We got it. We got what we needed.
This person right now.
Just waiting for another guy, and we're gonna go down, back through the town, down to the museum. Same as the other days. The same kind of thing. There we are. Finally.
Two more people just joined and I said we're here now.
Yep. So we're back out of the bar. It's our third bar, maybe? Something like that. But we're out for a game of pool now. Kind of got lost in time, not really vlogging that much. But yeah, good time. It's raining out. we're probably just gonna go to the capsules. I'm so stoked. Holy fuck, it's raining. Yeah, there's not a lot to see that we did today. Just walking around. Pretty much just walking around, going to bar. A couple new people we met. Guy from Australia and from Egypt. Fun time. And now we get to walk out in the rain.
The only reason I'm writing things down just to keep it fresh in my memory.
All right, you guys, you want to run on the way back? We're just running through Amsterdam in the rain. It's actually quite enjoyable. What? I'm so fucking soaked. Dude, I'm so soaked. It's like the pants is sticking to my legs.
Bro,
Look at you.
my blue pants are fucking black right now.
This is such a nice place though.
This might be the best night yet.
This is, yeah, it's a good night. I like the other night too though.
Yeah.
First night.
Yeah. Even chilling with the old folks was okay.
Chilling with the old folks. I still gotta edit that. Holy fuck. That was yesterday, wasn't it? I've lost track of days because of the editing and shit.
Yeah.
Yo, this is beautiful. Just stop and listen to it for a bit, man. We can find the password and stuff for the hotel.
Pull your hood down.
Sounds nice. Look at this. You're so wet.
I don't know what to say. This isn't gonna go in the video anyway. Elliot's looking for the hotel password so we can book it without any concern. Cause it's fucking pouring outside.
1532.
Alright.
And now the location. What is the address? What is it called?
I don't know, bro. So you're a tough guy, I can't really rough guy. What?
What's the address? Hey! What's the address?
Dude, it's just the bed stay.
The bed stay, okay.
Shit, man, I clicked your shit.
You clicked my shit? What do
I
you
was
mean?
like, I'm gonna turn it off, and then I was like, nah, I'm not gonna turn it off, and I touched it very gently, and
It's
it turned
not-
off anyway.
No, it's still recording.
Oh shit, that's sick.
Hold it in your mouth for the rest of the way, bro. You got this. Yes, sir. Now just walk. Dude, some local just sees you walking around with the fucking GoPro in your fucking mouth.
I don't want the people to hear my breathing this clearly, and I also don't want to put tooth marks in your GoPro.
It looks pretty funny.
You look pretty funny.
I know. You gotta put the hood back up.
You know what's fucked, bro? In Canada, we would have to be worried about being stopped by cops right now. Even though we're literally just walking.
Yeah. You guys doing all right? Yes, sir.
Hey man, states of mind should not be criminalized.
Shut
Hashtag freedom.
I agree with that statement. How about now, dude? Oi, oi, oi.
Hey dude, do a video of me.
Oh fuck. Stop. Ah! Oh, that's bad.
Is it this way?
No, I completely forgot. I didn't even look. I didn't even look at the address yet.
Did you at least check the hotel pass?
Yeah, it was. I forget what it was though. 1532.
1532. That's completely different from what you and I both said.
Oh, so
You said it started with 5-3 and I said it started with 5-0.
we were close with a 5. Yeah, it happens a lot in Amsterdam. You see people like there's this dude, I didn't get to record him, but he was like riding around on a fucking, like, what are those called? The old dude on a fucking
oh yeah, the fucking like fat people scooters at Walmart.
yeah, the Walmart scooters.
And he was literally just like driving around, drifting it, like fucking lifting 2 of his wheels off the ground.
Just like yelling random nonsense and shit. It was hilarious. I have no idea how he got there or anything like that. Oh, what do you think he's doing right now? He's probably spending the night in jail, dude. So he's got shelter, and then he gets to go tomorrow when it's sunny.
I genuinely have no idea where he's gonna sleep.
What is he doing right now? Like, how? I'd be down to stay where he's staying if he's getting it from...
That wheelie probably earns him so much money.
Do you think?
Yeah,
Just
he's like an $800. He has an $800 a month apartment.
Dude,
no, 800 euro.
Yes, he has a shit ton of Walmart scooters. They're all like blinged out and shit. He's got the one like that. Takes out the public. Holy shit balls. So much water. My feet are soaked already. I don't know why I even give a crap. At this point, man, I'm so wet. Think we could leave it in the bathroom, bro? Those pants, socks. Too much noise. You should just get in there. Yeah. Go to sleep.
Yep. I'm just gonna try to lay it like over our shelf. It's not gonna get much air in there, but it's our best bet.
It's been raining the last 2 evenings.
Grapes that you ate this afternoon that made me want to hurl? I would literally eat 6 of those right
Dude,
now.
oh, that calzone I had today. Oof.
Dude, I'm literally willing to search for any open food place within a reachable distance.
Right now?
Yep.
No, fuck that, bro.
Yep.
I'm cold. We can sleep, let time fly by, and you can go out to eat tomorrow. It's right here. Nope.
Yeah, I thought it was the last door.
They're all the same doors. They all, oh, there it is. There it is. Alright, good night, boys. Been a blast.